Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more videos. Today I'm making a juice with the Hurom H320, and I will leave all the information in the description if you are interested in the Hurom H320. Today I'm making a juice that is considered to be heart healthy. It's very hydrating. It's even good for if you get a hangover as well. The ingredients I'm going to use today, and I will put all of the information in the description, of course. I'm using some carrots, also using some cucumber, I'm using some celery, I'm also using some apples, I'm using some pear, and some romaine lettuce. I'm going to put some celery in, I'm going to put some apples in, I'm going to go ahead and put some of the romaine lettuce in. Okay, and we are going to go ahead and we are going to juice this up. Okay, so the first amount that I put into the Hurom H320, it made about 15 ounces. So I'm going to put some more in. Okay, and now it is time to try this lovely juice. And that came to about a good 30 ounces of juice. And so we're going to go ahead and try this lovely, heart healthy, hydrating drink. We are going to go ahead and try this lovely juice. And remember, we had apple, we had pear, we had carrots, we had cucumber, we had celery, all right, we had romaine lettuce, we had all those hydrating, beautiful, lovely things. And again, I'm going to leave everything in the description as always. So let's try this lovely juice. Yes, this is very refreshing. It's very nice and light on the palate. I would definitely recommend it whether you are new to juicing or you already been juicing, of course. And I love it, definitely. I'm going to go ahead and continue making the rest of my juice so I can put it into the containers and get ready for my week. And as always, I want you to continue to be well, be true to yourself. Peace divine. Yes, it is just very, very light and relaxing. Peace divine.